First of all, let me say thanks for your willingness to try out GPS, the beta version. I appreciate your candid input and comments as you try the program out and see how you like it. If you have any issues, concerns, or anything that breaks during the evaluation, then definitely reach out for some advice and support. And I hope you enjoy it. So let's go ahead. With this video, I want to show you how to install the program, and when you're finished, how to uninstall it at the end of the trial period. So let's get started. So I will be sending you an email link that contains the information, this website address right here, that shows the step-by-step instructions. And they go through here, but I thought what I'd do is record this in a video, make it a little bit easier for you to find. So we'll get the install program, which is going to be, at least for now, on this Google Drive link. And so I will click on this, and this will take us to where we see on the Google Drive, you will see GPS setup.zip with the payload, the installer inside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this download button, and I click on that, and this is going to take that file, that zip file, and bring it down to my downloads folder. So this is going to take a few seconds. The zip file is about 11 megabytes. The installer has some various information in it, etc. Okay, so we're now done with the Google Drive. Now I've gone to my downloads folder here, and here you can see the zip file. I'm going to double click on that to open it up, and here's the installer package. You can see here, Windows installer package. So now I'm going to double click the installer, and Windows is going to think, this isn't quite such a good thing. Maybe this installer contains some kind of virus because it's an unrecognized app. So in order to get around this, I'll click on the More Info and then Run Anyway. And this will begin the startup wizard, which you can see here. And this says we'll install GPS on your computer. Click Next to go to the next. So here's the installation directory. I'll click Next and Install to begin the installation. Now there will probably be a pop-up that occurs here. And it says, do I want to allow this app to make changes? I will click yes, and then the installation package will complete. And here we are. We've finished the installation. So I'm going to hang on to this file because I'll need to use it again at the end when I am ready to uninstall. Okay, so now if I go to my desktop, I will see this little icon that allows me to double click, and I will begin to run the GPS program. Now we're going to get into much more detail about this in just a few, in some future videos, but for now, I'm going to say we'll just go from there. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to click out of this, and I'll show you how to uninstall the program when you're finished. Okay, make sure the program's not running, and then we're going to go back to this MSI installer package and double click again. And here we'll have to go through the same process. More info, run anyway. And now GPS is going, the installer is going to ask, do I want to uninstall the program? And I'll come to this modify, repair, or remove. And in this case, I want to remove the program, so I click on the little basket and then click remove. And then it will ask me again, do I want to allow the app to make changes? I'll click yes, and GPS will then remove itself from your computer. So the evaluation period runs until the 25th of March, so we'll have about a month, and then you'll want to uninstall the beta version. Okay, so that's it. I will be sending you another couple of links to videos on how to get started. Thanks again, and I hope you enjoy using GPS.